Found an MFALIST file alongside an archive package? This is an index file listing contents of a multi-file archive set. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to use these multi-file archive list files for archive management. I highly recommend this quick preparation step. Keep a universal file viewing program installed. It's a lifesaver for bypassing minor MFALIST corruption, and I'll detail the best one shortly. MFALIST files are index files used to catalog the contents of multi-file archive sets. They contain listings of archive components including file names, sizes, checksums, and ordering information enabling archive software to manage, validate, and reconstruct multi-volume archives during extraction or transfer operations. MFALIST files use a text-based or structured format storing archive component metadata with entries for individual archive files, validation checksums, and assembly instructions. The format follows the originating archive system's specifications, providing essential information for proper multi-volume archive handling and content verification. The software default for the MFALIST file type is the solution provided by Don Ho's Notepad++. Windows cannot fully extract this archive type, requiring dedicated extraction software. Windows cannot interpret complex metadata schemas, so reading these files requires proper software. We're testing the system's ability to interpret the file's data block. Right-click the MFALIST file and click Open With. Test Notepad++ first. If it's unavailable, choose another program. The correct tool is key. If your MFALIST file will not open, do not worry. Let's immediately implement 3 focused troubleshooting steps to find the underlying issue. First, opening as text. Open MFALIST files in a text editor like Notepad++ to view the archive component listing. The readable format reveals archive file name sizes and metadata, helping understand the structure of multi-file archive sets. This information assists in locating missing components or verifying complete archive sets. Next, using with archive software. Place MFALIST files alongside the corresponding multi-file archive components in the same directory. Archive utilities that support the format read the list file to locate and process all archive parts during extraction operations, ensuring proper reassembly of split archive contents. Finally, verifying archive integrity. Use the MFALIST file to verify all archive components are present and intact before extraction. Compare listed file names and checksums against actual files in the archive directory. Missing or corrupted components must be obtained or repaired before successful archive extraction can be completed. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.